Welcome back. You're in 100 views, and today's video is how to stop procrastination. It's basically a follow-up video on my video in regards to how to get unstuck, and it's talked about how I got unstuck on my journey. That video will be listed at the top. So basically, once again, this video is how to stop procrastination. You know, what is procrastination? Thanks for asking. Procrastination is basically a delay or postponement in action. So basically, in order for you to stop procrastination, you definitely just have to take massive action. You have to 10x your actions. You know, you have to, whatever pops in your mind, you have to just run with it. You have to just go with it. You have to just see, let me see how far I can take this action or these steps, or let me see what this lead into. You know, I just always just, you know, took action, but now it's just more consistent action. It's more follow up through. You know, after a while, after you start taking these actions, you're going to just want to take more and more of these actions. And like I said, it's going to just truly help you, not just with, you know, your purpose, but also just everyday life, you know, just understanding you and yourself a lot better. A lot of times we might hear yourself, or, you know, hear people say, I don't feel like it. And you know, a lot of times that's just mean, you know, like you just have to be in a great mood in order to take that action. Sometimes it could be hard. I definitely understand. You know, starting this YouTube channel wasn't easy for me. I had to overcome the fear of, you know, public speaking, putting my opinions out in the world to be judged. I didn't like to be judged. I understand that sometimes it is hard to take action, you know, but you have to. Like, this is a call to action video to, you know, take more action, to, like I said, 10x your actions, and, you know, like I said, to kind of follow up on it as well. So you take the actions and then you follow up on it with even more actions, and, you know, network and whatever it takes to get your goals from the start to finish. And all your projects are not going to start off great or end great. You know, it's just, you know, over time they will get better. So don't be afraid to take actions. Another reason why we procrastinate is a lot of times we focus too much on the results or the end goal or even the vision. A lot of times you're like, oh man, I can't wait to have that big house, or that this or that, or, you know, this big career, or, you know, working with this top producer. Whatever your dreams might be, we are too much focused on the end result and not just the day-to-day process and the day-to-day objections to get you there or to lead you there. And once again, once you start off, no one is going to do the hard work for you. No one's going to do the grunt work for you. You have to do it, and a lot of times it just takes a massive action. So once again, this video is about how to stop procrastination. It's really simple, as you just have to take massive actions, and you also need to have someone to hold you accountable, and that will be me if you like. So once again, you know, after you watch this video, make sure you take some type of massive action today, even if it's just 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or whatever it takes to get you started on your journey. And once you take these actions, you know, leave a comment, you know, put, you know, what type of actions that you took. I would love to know what did you do in order for you to get unstuck, you know, to, you know, feel unstuck. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna try to produce more videos out there. I am trying to get to the 10,000 subscriber mark. I am just at like 120. I have, you know, a long way to go, but I know over time, with dedication and consistency, I will get there. But also, with you guys watching it, with you guys sharing it with, you know, your close friends and family, I know I definitely will get there. And talk to you soon.